Good morning mga bossing. Happy Monday, September 1, 2025. Wala pong pasok ngayon, so we enjoy with family bonding at kakain tayo ng masasarap like this. We have cassole for today. We have beef steak. We have minodo. We have Bicol Express. And we have pork steak. Gulay, pinakbet na baboy. And we have sinigang na baboy. Jumbo rice cookers para sa rice. And siomai. Yan po ang pagkain namin ngayon for today. Available po dito yan sa 20 Eatery. Have a nice day.